नमस्कार, मैं श्री फातिमा केंद्रीय विद्यालय CMERI की छात्र आप सभी के समक्ष एक कविता लेकर प्रस्तुत हुई हूँ। ये कविता स्वरचित है। आशा करती हूँ ये कविता आप सभी को पसंद आएगी। पहला अक्षर सिखाया जिन्होंने, पहला अक्षर सिखाया जिन्होंने, जीवन के पहले गुरु का पद पाया जिन्होंने, जिसने अक्षर ज्ञान कराया, जिसने अक्षर ज्ञान कराया, मेरे टूटे शब्दों को क्रमबद्ध सजाया, मेरी गलतियों की रेखाओं को, मेरी गलतियों की रेखाओं को अपनी रबर से मिटाया, अपने पेन से मेरा पक्का रास्ता है बनाया। कोरे पन्ने की ढेर को, कोरे पन्ने की ढेर को खूबसूरत अल्फाजों से किताब है सजाया, खुद ज़मीं पर रहकर अपनी शीशियों को आसमां तक पहुंचाया। अपनी सुबह को भूल, अपनी सुबह को भूल हमारी सुबह को सुंदर ज्ञान से सजाया, जीवन मार्गदर्शक का पद है पाया, जब माटी के पुतले से गुरु ने इंसान बनाया, जब माटी के पुतले से गुरु ने इंसान बनाया। धन्यवाद।
नमस्कार, अहम संपूर्णा मंडल अद्यतन शुभ दिवसे संस्कृत कविता प्रस्तुत करोमि। सर्वेभ्यः शिक्षिकाभ्यः शिक्षकेभ्यः च समर्पितम्। किम् अस्ति तत् पदं यः लभते इह सम्मानं, किम् अस्ति तत् पदं यः करोति देशानां निर्माणं, किम् अस्ति तत् पदं यं कुर्वन्ति सर्वे प्रणामं, किम् अस्ति तत् पदं यस्य छायया प्राप्तं ज्ञानं, किम् अस्ति तत् पदं यः रचयति चरित्रजनानां, गुरु अस्ति अस्य पदस्य नाम, सर्वेषां गुरूणां मम शतं शतप्रणामः। धन्यवादं, शुभं मंगलं च।
Good morning, my name is Nainika Chatterjee and today I am going to recite a poem on the occasion of Teachers' Day. An ode to the teachers. Another school's years come and gone, and soon you will be free to rest your pen, your teacher's voice. You have time to be simply we. Sometimes you wonder how you even made it through the year. You had it sussed, you had planned your term, then brand new rules appear. But please don't be discouraged, and please don't ever quit. 30 hearts and minds you have shaped, and that's not all, I'll bet. There'll be some who have been shown kindness when there is not much shown at home. There'll be those who have helped to reach their goals and spurred them on to more. To some, you'll be a hero, making learning so much fun. They never thought they'll grasp those bits, but you showed them how it's done. So when you wonder why you give so much to such a calling, be assured you have given wings to children's dreams with all that learning. When times are tough, when politics can drive you to despair, remember all the good you have done, the passion that you have shared. League tables may not always show the time you have invested, but dwell instead on other ways your work can be attested. Like thinking of the kids who'll say you really are the best, despite when homework time comes round or you're handing out a test. And as you close the classroom door on one more year that's passed, you've taught, you have cared, you have nurtured, made impressions that will last, far beyond their years of learning as they strike out on their own, till they are walking their own children down the path towards a school.
सुप्रभात माननीय प्रधानाचार्य, आदरणीय शिक्षक वर्ग एवं मेरे सहपाठियों, आप सभी को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज 5 सितंबर के इस शुभ अवसर पर मैं स्वाति गिरी कक्षा 12वीं कला की छात्रा आप सभी के साथ अपने विचार साझा करने जा रही हूँ। आज 5 सितंबर है और इस दिन को हम सभी शिक्षक दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं। इस दिन भारत के पूर्व राष्ट्रपति डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी का जन्म हुआ था। उन्होंने अपने जीवन के 40 वर्ष एक शिक्षक के दायित्वों को निभाने में गुजार दिए। शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में उनका बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा जिसे हम कभी नहीं भूल सकते। शायद यह कहना गलत नहीं होगा कि एक शिक्षक माता पिता के बराबर होता है। एक माता पिता एक बच्चे को जन्म देते, जबकि शिक्षक उस बच्चे को मार्गदर्शन कर उसके भविष्य को उज्जवल बनाते हैं। एक शिक्षक अपने जीवन में जो भी सीखते हैं वह निस्वार्थ भाव से हमें सिखा देते हैं। शिक्षक हमें प्रेरित करते हैं, हमारे युवा मन को ज्ञान से पोषित करते हैं, ताकत देते हैं और भविष्य में आने वाली सारी चुनौतियों से लड़ने के लिए हमें तैयार करते हैं। शायद इसीलिए कहा गया है, गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। अर्थात गुरु ही भगवान का दूसरा स्वरूप है, जिसका हमें सदा आदर और सम्मान करना चाहिए। शिक्षक दिवस के इस शुभ अवसर पर मैं सभी शिक्षकों का आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ और आप सभी का ज्यादा समय ना लेते हुए मैं यही समाप्त करना चाहती हूँ। आप सभी को एक बार फिर से शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक बधाई। धन्यवाद।
Beginning of the day. Bell rings. The unruly students are seen fighting, flying paper planes, and their new teacher enters.
Good morning, class. Today is my first day and I'll be taking a few subjects. So let's start off in a good note.
Student pass, hilarious comment, and whistle and laugh loudly.
Not that note. Thank you. So let's begin the round of introductions. My name is Shakshi and I love nurturing young minds.
Ma'am, my name is Rohit Karmakar. I was the topper last year and I scored 98%.
Student again starts taunting and laughing.
My name is Kajal Maji and I love dancing.
And everyone introduces themselves till the last roll number comes.
Everyone is done except the last roll number. Zara? Class, settle down.
After a few minutes, she leaves and another teacher meets her.
Hey, how was your day?
The teacher was deeply hurt by their behavior. They did not own her the way they should have done it. The next day,
Good morning, children. Today I want to tell you something. From today, I will not be leading the class. You people will. Every day a student should come up and present something that they are passionate about. So, who is courageous enough to take up the challenge?
Ma'am, anything?
Yes, anything.
the student presents a chit of her poem, and the teacher sits beside her and finds many chits in her desk. She pulls out a chit and amazed seeing her exceptional talent in writing poem and writes wow in one of the chits. After the class,
Hey, your class seems to have changed a lot. What did you do?
I did not do anything. I just created a space where they will not be judged. They can be themselves and learn through their own interests.
the next day, the class is quiet when she enters.
Morning, children. So, everyone is done except Zara. So, Zara, please come here.
The students who were bullying start supporting her and shouting out her name so that she gains the confidence to come up and speak. The quietest child stands before the entire class and the first time feels loved and confident.
I have a poem. Should I start? You are a strange teacher, seeing no difference between ignorance and knowledge, no marveling beauty or mystery in stupidity. You only see children to be encouraged, to grow and be free. You are special, indeed. Your patience seems to have no end, your smile no revenge. Your knowledge soars brilliance, like a flag of peaceability. You understand frailty as much as you know bravery. You are a flower from another land, where changing seasons are just passing friends. One day, I dearly hope I will reach that mountain ship. Thank you for your wisdom that shone down from your face, clamped on your voice, and followed your every step. Thank you for your patience that sang in your eyes and fell from every word of yours. Thank you for guiding